Flat tires, dead batteries, and unexpected roadside emergencies can leave drivers stressed and unprepared. The right car safety tools provide extra protection and confidence when problems happen. Today, we count down the top 10 car safety tools you need, and don't miss our #1 pick. If something catches your eye, you'll find links to every product in the description below. And if you enjoy honest reviews and smart buying guides, be sure to subscribe to Auto Review Lab. Now, let's kick off the countdown with number 10. Starting our list is the HOKENA LED Road Flare Safety Kit, a helpful emergency accessory designed to improve roadside visibility. These LED flares create bright warning signals that can help alert nearby drivers when your vehicle is stopped. They are useful during nighttime breakdowns, accidents, tire problems, or emergencies where visibility is important. The compact design makes them easy to keep inside your vehicle without taking much storage space. This kit can benefit commuters, travelers, and anyone who wants additional roadside preparation. Having visible warning equipment available can make stressful situations easier to manage. Next, we move to another important roadside safety device. Coming in at number 9 is the CARTMAN Warning Triangle Emergency Kit, a simple but valuable safety tool for roadside emergencies. These warning triangles are designed to provide a visible alert around a stopped vehicle, helping other drivers recognize potential hazards ahead. They are useful during breakdowns, vehicle problems, accidents, or situations where your car needs to remain parked near traffic. Drivers who frequently travel long distances, families, and everyday commuters can benefit from keeping this type of equipment available. The straightforward design allows quick placement when extra warning visibility is needed. Now, let's continue with a small accessory that can improve everyday driving awareness. At number 8 is the Amper Blind Spot Mirror, a practical driving accessory created to improve side visibility. These convex mirrors attach to existing side mirrors and provide a wider viewing angle compared with standard mirrors alone. They can help drivers check surrounding areas during lane changes, parking, and busy traffic situations. This accessory is useful for commuters, new drivers, and vehicle owners who want additional awareness while behind the wheel. The compact size keeps the original mirror appearance while adding extra viewing support. For drivers who value better visibility during daily driving, this small upgrade can be helpful. Coming next is a security-focused vehicle accessory. Taking the 7th spot is the Club 3000 Steering Wheel Lock, a physical security device designed to discourage unauthorized vehicle use. This steering wheel lock attaches to the steering wheel and creates a visible barrier when the vehicle is parked. It can be useful for drivers who park in public areas, workplaces, shopping locations, or overnight spaces. The noticeable design also allows people to see that an additional security measure is being used. Vehicle owners looking for a straightforward anti-theft option may appreciate its simple setup and operation. It does not require complex installation or vehicle modifications. Next, we are moving to a tool focused on tire maintenance. Landing at number 6 is the JACO ElitePro Digital Tire Pressure Gauge, a useful maintenance tool for monitoring tire pressure. Keeping tires properly inflated helps support safer driving, better handling, and regular vehicle care. This digital gauge allows drivers to check tire pressure quickly during routine maintenance or before longer trips. It is a practical choice for commuters, road travelers, and anyone who prefers staying informed about their vehicle condition. The compact design makes it convenient to store inside a garage, toolbox, or vehicle compartment. Regular tire checks can help drivers notice pressure changes early. Now, we enter the top 5 with a roadside tire solution. Breaking into the top 5 is the EPAuto Portable Air Compressor Pump, a convenient tool for handling low tire pressure situations. This portable inflator allows drivers to add air to tires when needed, making it useful during road trips, daily driving, or emergency situations. Instead of searching for an air station immediately, vehicle owners can have a compact solution available in their vehicle. It is suitable for drivers who want extra preparation for unexpected tire pressure issues. The digital design helps make operation easier during inflation tasks. Keeping an air compressor nearby can provide added confidence on the road. Next, we look at a safety device for emergency protection. Taking the 4th spot is the Kidde Auto Fire Extinguisher, a vehicle safety product designed for emergency fire situations. This compact extinguisher provides drivers with an additional safety option if a small vehicle fire occurs. It can be stored inside cars, trucks, and other vehicles where quick access may be important. This type of equipment can benefit commuters, families, truck owners, and drivers who spend significant time traveling. Having emergency tools available helps drivers feel more prepared for unexpected events. Proper storage and understanding how to use safety equipment are important parts of vehicle preparation. Our countdown continues with a popular recording device for modern drivers. Our number 3 pick is the REDTIGER F7NP Dashcam, a camera system designed to record driving experiences and important road moments. Dash cameras can help capture video during unexpected incidents, parking situations, and everyday journeys. This model includes front and rear recording capabilities with wide viewing coverage to monitor more of the surrounding environment. It can benefit commuters, rideshare drivers, and vehicle owners who want additional documentation while traveling. Beyond safety purposes, it can also record memorable road trips and scenic drives. A dash cam provides another level of awareness behind the wheel. With 2 products remaining, let's see the runner-up choice. Claiming the runner-up position is the Resqme Original Car Escape Tool, a compact emergency device designed for critical situations inside a vehicle. This keychain tool combines a seatbelt cutter and window breaker to provide an emergency escape option in a vehicle emergency requiring quick action. Its small size allows drivers to keep it easily accessible rather than stored away. It can be useful for everyday drivers, families, and anyone who wants an additional emergency preparation tool. Simple emergency equipment like this can provide peace of mind during unexpected circumstances. Now it is time to reveal our number 1 car safety tool. Our top pick is the NOCO Boost Plus GB40 Portable Jump Starter, a powerful emergency device designed to help restart vehicles with dead batteries. This compact jump starter provides portable battery assistance without needing another vehicle nearby. It features safety protection technology, USB charging capability, and an integrated LED flashlight for additional convenience. It is useful for commuters, road travelers, and drivers who want extra preparation for battery problems. Keeping a jump starter in your vehicle can save time during unexpected situations. Its portable design makes storage simple while providing valuable emergency support. For overall roadside readiness, this tool earns the number 1 position. Thanks for watching Auto Review Lab. Those were our top picks for the best car safety tools. Check the links in the description, drive safely, and we'll see you in the next review.